Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So right now I'm with my student that is Izian from what class are you, Izian?
I am 9th grade in NA.
Okay, 9A. So what will we do today?
We will do some interview.
Interview. So interview is one of the part of the final project from 9th grade class.
Yes.
Okay, so we'll do the casual interview. So just enjoy the interview because it is not too formal.
Yes.
Okay, I hope you can easily answer and answer in detail.
Okay.
So I will have you some points of the question. So let's go to the first question. That's about yourself. Okay, Asian, could you tell me about yourself? Starting with the introduction and then following telling about your skill, also the
Hobby.
what? No, weakness.
Oh, weakness.
Okay, good. So,
Okay. Yeah. First of all, my name is Izian Iqbal Mizan. You can call me Zian or Izian. I'm from 9th grade, especially in NA, and I'm from my home in address in Jakarta, especially in North Jakarta. Okay, so my skill is first in IT. I have skill for coding to make some website or application. So, and I have skill about design too, and many, but I can tell one by one. Okay, so my weaknesses maybe like see other people not respect with the people, especially if like parent, like example like this, like some uh, young boy is not respect with her parent. Yeah, I like feel sad with that.
okay, so if that's your weakness, one of your weakness, what is the way to solve it? Do you have the way to solve it?
I have like in my mind is across in my mind is like we must respect to other people, yeah, because if you want get to respect, you must respect.
Okay, so what is your action if you find something like that?
Maybe I will give him about feedback or nasihat, ya. You must like I tell to that people not respect with other people. I tell maybe.
Oh, so you directly give the advice like that?
Yes.
Even though that's random people, you
Maybe
will do the same thing?
maybe in random people I will yeah, maybe just give advice, yeah,
Okay,
because that habit, yeah.
I think that's not kind of the weakness, yeah. That's goodness. So, except that, do you still have another one?
Another
thing?
weakness.
Yeah.
What ya? Example like coach, mister.
Example like
Example like.
you are hard to focus in one thing and easy to forget.
Yeah.
That's the example.
Yeah, my weakness is one, like that lah. My example, my weakness like I'm like reading Quran, mister.
Yeah.
In maybe in 5 minutes or in 10 minutes, I can memorize 3 lines in Quran. But maybe until but if I already collect the data for my ziyadah, like my tafiz, after the data my tafiz, maybe I already forget because that my weakness, yeah, like that.
And then do you have the way?
Huh?
Do you have the way for solve it?
For solve it?
Yeah.
Maybe I will murajaah, yeah. Don't lazy because my habit is lazy after memorize, and after that I just chill, just waiting for the time of halaqah is done. But maybe until now I will try it for better for my future. Yeah, don't lazy.
Lazy.
Don't
You say
lazy.
that lazy.
Yes.
You are easy to lazy.
Yes.
So what is the most motivate you?
Most motivate.
Yeah.
First, my what make my motivate is first is from my parent.
Oh,
My parent is always support me for doing better for my future because my parent already I already pay for my SPP in this school because
give
it's
everything.
yes, give everything for me that I want because I want to do. Yeah, I want to do. Let's see. Because my parent already give everything for me, so I must give everything my best to my parent.
Okay, great. So let's go to the next point, Jian. So the next point is still about yourself. So what is your skill before coming to IDN?
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm elementary school in negeri, ya, in SD negeri. So in there I just learning about basic lesson like IPA, bahasa Indonesia, PKN, and other. So before I come to IDN, I never know about like computer, yeah, in IDN the curriculum, and never know about that. So
You are zero.
zero, yes, zero from inter IDN. I very basic lah. I don't know what is control C, control V. I don't know about that.
Then, yeah, I will ask you about that. So, from that, after you spending around 3 years, right here?
Yes, almost 3
Okay.
years.
For the next point, I would like to ask you about your opinion. So, what is your opinion about IDN subject or IDN materialis? Now, is that worth it for you or for the basic learner or for every student? Okay, you can start.
Okay,
giving
maybe
opinion.
in 7th grade, yeah. In 7th grade, I'm learning about Scratch to make some game in the one platform. I think it's very good for you learn about algorithm. So it can use for the next and for your next project, yeah. And about Vicky in Dinia, it's very important because it's like uh, it's explain about Vicky in Salat, in Wudu, and other because it's very important of our life, daily life, yeah. Because daily life we like Wudu, Salat, and other. And Sirah, yeah, in Dinia too, it's good also like before. If that's explain about Sirah Nabawiyah, so that's like history in era Prophet Muhammad. That's very important for we now. And in hadis, nah hadis is better too, yeah, because it is also good for we know like the hukum-hukum in Islam, and we know what we will do, what cannot to do in Islam.
Okay, great. So for the next, I'm gonna ask you about what is the hardest thing? Yeah, here.
In ADN,
Yeah,
maybe the hardest thing I
that ever happened to you.
hardest
That you
thing.
feel, I mean.
Okay, first like in a grade, in a grade semester 2, I ever get like get pertimbangan for enter to the SMK.
Okay.
But in that I learning, so I must evaluasi from my mistake. Yeah, evaluate for my mistake before, so I doing better from last year.
Okay.
And alhamdulillah now I already get recommendation for in SMK IDN.
Alhamdulillah. So, for the last year, please give some word of for IDN. I mean,
Or
yeah, word.
okay,
It can be complaint, it can be message, or it's like that. Okay.
first, yeah, this my honestly IDN is good, very good for people want to learn about IT and Dinia too. It's good, but maybe there is like maybe in IDN just the less is just in fasilitas, yeah.
Oh, facility.
The facility,
Okay.
yeah, the facility. Like from the water, the food.
Dan point facility lah.
Yes, the facility, the main point, yeah.
Okay, great.
But almost 7 years, yeah, since 2016, yeah, IDN already growth grow better from before, like from water, from food, from the building is already good. But for the SPP in almost 4 million of 1 month, minimal, minimum lah ya. In the end
Can give more facility lah ya.
yeah, give more space
Okay.
from the water, make it better because almost
So thank you for telling it, Zian, and all we hope is IDN can solve it ya,
Yeah,
as soon
can
as
solve it.
possible. Okay, thank you for the time, Zian, and I hope you enjoy your life whatever you want and whenever you are. So let me close our interview by hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. So we close with wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.